Best study techniques for learning styles. Are you curious about the best study techniques tailored to your unique learning style? Understanding how you learn can make a big difference in your study sessions. Let's break down the different learning styles and the techniques that work best for each. First, identify your learning style. Are you a visual learner, an auditory learner, a kinesthetic learner, or someone who learns best through reading and writing? Knowing this will help you choose the right techniques. Visual learners thrive on images and diagrams. To study effectively, use charts, color-coded notes, and flashcards with visuals. The blurt method is also helpful. Read your material, then write down everything you remember. This combines reading and writing, reinforcing your memory. Highlighting key points in your notes can help important information stand out, making it easier to recall later. If you are an auditory learner, you learn best through listening and speaking. Try reading your notes out loud, joining discussions, or recording yourself explaining concepts. Listening to music or rhythmic patterns related to your study material can also help you stay engaged and improve retention. For kinesthetic learners, hands-on activities are key. Engage in building models, conducting experiments, or even moving around while studying. Using gestures or objects to representing ideas can help you focus and understand concepts better. Reading and writing learners absorb information through texts and notes. Rewriting notes in your own words and summarizing information can be very effective. Organizing material into lists or bullet points also helps these learners retain information. Combining techniques can be beneficial, as many people use more than one learning style. For example, visual learners can benefit from explaining concepts aloud, while kinesthetic learners might use flashcards during movement. In addition to these techniques, there are other effective study habits that can complement your learning style. The Feynman Technique is a great way to deepen your understanding. Try explaining concepts in simple terms as if you are teaching someone else. This can reveal gaps in your knowledge. The Leitner System is another effective method using flashcards. Organize your flashcards into boxes based on how well you know each card. Space out your review sessions to optimize memory retention. Taking regular breaks is also important. The Pomodoro Technique suggests studying 4 focused intervals, like 25 minutes, followed by short breaks. This helps maintain concentration and avoid burnout. Studying under test-like conditions can help you feel more prepared. Mimic the environment and timing of exams to build familiarity and reduce anxiety. Switching between subjects during study sessions, known as interleaving, can help your brain form connections and improve long-term retention. Lastly, preparing to teach the material to someone else encourages active engagement and critical thinking. By adopting these strategies aligned with your learning style and effective test-taking habits, you can make your study sessions more productive, reduce stress, and improve your academic performance.